Living in a compact space often requires a thoughtful approach to interior design, particularly when it comes to the bedroom. As the room dedicated to rest, recovery, and quiet reflection, a small bedroom should feel like a secluded retreat rather than a congested storage zone. Adopting a minimalist design philosophy does not mean stripping your room of personality or warmth. Rather, it means stripping away the unnecessary so that peace and comfort can take center stage. By focusing on intentional layout choices, smart storage, unified color schemes, and tactile warmth, you can transform even the smallest bedroom into a serene sanctuary that feels remarkably open and restful. Cultivate openness with a cohesive color palette. Color plays a powerful psychological role in shaping how we experience physical space. In a small bedroom, light and monochromatic palettes work best to soften structural boundaries and maximize natural light. Shades of soft cream, warm alabaster, muted sage, and delicate stone gray allow daylight to bounce effortlessly off walls, instantly making the room feel larger than its physical dimensions. To maintain visual interest without introducing chaos, focus on tone-on-tone layering. Combining varying shades of the same underlying hue across your walls, trim, and bedding creates a seamless, low-contrast environment. This lack of harsh visual interruptions allows the eye to slide smoothly across the space, imparting an immediate sense of stillness and balance. Prioritize scale and multifunctional furniture. Selecting furniture for a small bedroom requires careful consideration of scale and proportion. Oversized frames and heavy, ornate nightstands can easily overwhelm a limited floor plan. Instead, opt for furniture with clean, low-profile silhouettes that maintain a low visual center of gravity. A low-profile platform bed frame keeps sightlines clear and elevates the ceiling, enhancing the perception of vertical space. Additionally, every piece introduced should serve a distinct purpose, or ideally, multiple purposes. Bed frames equipped with smooth integrated storage drawers utilize otherwise wasted underbed space for extra linens and seasonal clothing. Wall-mounted drop-leaf desks or floating bedside ledges keep the floor area completely clear, preserving open floor space that reinforces a feeling of freedom. Harness vertical height and streamline storage. When floor space is limited, shifting your design strategy upward is essential. Vertical organization keeps everyday items accessible while protecting the room from surface clutter. Floor-to-ceiling fitted wardrobes with flat, handleless doors create a clean, architectural look that mimics a solid wall, neatly hiding clothes, bags, and accessories out of view. Open floating shelves can be used sparingly for essential items or a few choice decorative objects, provided they are kept tidy. Hanging full-length curtains from the highest point near the ceiling all the way down to the floor also accentuates the vertical lines of the room, drawing the eye upward and bestowing a sense of elegant stature upon a modest room footprint. Introduce warmth through thoughtful textures. A common misconception about minimalist interior design is that it leads to sterile, cold spaces. In reality, warm minimalism relies heavily on textural richness to build depth, comfort, and character. When visual clutter is eliminated, sensory focus shifts to touch and material quality. Incorporating natural fabrics such as breathable linen duvet covers, soft woven wool blankets, smooth cotton sheets, and textured jute or plush wool rugs adds layers of physical comfort. Mixing subtle organic materials like warm-toned natural wood, matte ceramic accents, and brushed metal details brings an inviting, lived-in quality to the space while maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Design a soft, layered lighting scheme. Lighting is fundamental in setting the emotional tone of a bedroom. Overhead lighting alone can often feel harsh and clinical in small quarters. A minimalist retreat benefits from a layered lighting approach that provides flexible illumination for different times of day. Swap traditional table lamps for wall-mounted adjustable sconces or slender pendant lights suspended beside the bed. This frees up bedside table space for a minimalist setup containing only a book or a glass of water. Utilize warm spectrum LED bulbs, ideally on dimmer switches, to create a gentle, ambient glow during the evening hours that signals to your mind and body that it is time to wind down. Curate decor with intentional restraint. In a minimalist bedroom, decorative elements are selected with deliberation rather than accumulated out of habit. Instead of filling empty surfaces with clusters of small trinkets, choose 1 or 2 meaningful focal points. A single piece of large-scale canvas art featuring abstract forms or peaceful landscapes provides a stylish anchor above the headboard without visually crowding the room. Bringing nature indoors through a single healthy potted plant, such as a snake plant or rubber tree, adds a touch of natural vitality and subtle color while enhancing indoor air quality. By giving every object physical and visual space to breathe, the entire room begins to feel curated, intentional, and profoundly relaxing. Transforming a compact sleeping area into a peaceful minimalist haven is not about spatial restriction, but rather about spatial liberation. By choosing light-enhancing colors, smart multifunctional furniture, warm natural textiles, and purposeful decor, you strip away daily friction and visual noise. The result is a refined small bedroom that serves its true purpose, a tranquil, beautiful sanctuary where you can escape the demands of daily life and enjoy deep, restorative rest.